Okay. So then, so whenever, so you want to choose multiple option in the list, so then we have to use the input type checkbox. Input type checkbox. So then here same thing, label. So then choose your hobbies. So then label close. So then here input type equal to checkbox. Input type checkbox. So then, so in this name equal to, we have to give the different name because of, so we have to choose multiple options, right? So h1 hobby 1. So then, so value equal to, sorry, value equal to games. So then games. So the next one, so input type equal to check box, check box. So then name equal to h2, h2 hobby 2. So then value equal to, so then movies. So then movies. So then input type, input type equal to checkbox. So then name equal to h3, h3 value equal to then reading. So then reading. Okay. So this way, so we are having the three options. So then choose your hobbies, right? So then whenever reload this one, okay, so choose your hobbies. I can give the one BR for each and every input. So then here we are having one, or otherwise you can give the div also. Div is a block level element. So that's why, so you can give the div for each and every one, each and every input. So then it will display line by line. So this is the second input. So then closed it. So then this is the third input, and where it is closed, here it is closed. Okay, so then this is the fourth one. So here we can close it here. Okay, so close it. Then now you can see. Then now you can see. Okay, so name, password, and choose your gender. You can choose only any of one. So then in this choose your hobbies, we are having a option to choose multiple options. To choose multiple options. Alright. So then in this, so I'm choosing three. Okay, three things I'm choosing. So this is the way we can create a checkboxes. Okay, so the next one, radio and checkboxes. Then we are having a file, image, and button. So then we are having a lot of things. So then first one we checked the radio. So then second thing, so then checkboxes also we check. So then third thing, input type checkboxes. So then type number. So you want to enter only numbers. So you want to enter only numbers. Then div, close div. So then here enter your number. Okay. So then so input type equal to, so we have to give the number here, type number, and name equal to either phone number, whatever it may be. Okay, phone. So then placeholder equal to enter your phone. Okay, so here it is. Then now see, you can see, you can enter a number. So we are unable to. So I am trying to type the text. So but I am unable to enter. So I can enter only numbers. Okay, so then you can see it here. So if you want to put some restrictions to this one also, we are having the min and max. Min equal to. So for suppose if you want to start from 5, so you can start. So then max equal to 10. So then it will allow up to 5 to 10 only. Okay. Now you can see. So it is starting from 5 only. Now if you can observe, so when I am clicking an upper arrow, so it is starting from 9 only, 5 only. So then after it is allowing to increase up to 10 only. Okay. So then when you click on this one, so a down arrow, so it is going up to 5 only. It is going down to 5 only. Okay. So we can this way also we can restrict this one. Okay. So that is a number. Okay. So the next one is so email field. So then email field, so we can enter so email. Yes, close. So then now, so I am creating one submit button. Type equal to we have a button, input type button. So then a value equal to submit. So then you can see. So we can create a input type submit. Okay. So this submit is different and the input type submit is different. Here we are creating the input type button. So this is a button. Okay. This is a button not for submit button. Okay. Now we are having the input type equal to submit submit. So then value equal to say. Now see. So whenever we are submitting this one, so uh, close the close. So then here this one also closed. Then next one. So this one also closed. Okay. So now you can see. So this submit, see. So whenever I am trying to submit this one, so it is not saving, it is not transferring any data. So whenever this one input type, so this is a submit. So whenever I am submitting, so you can see, so I am not giving any post type right here in the form. I am not giving any method. So by default, it is taking get and transferring the data for using get method. Now you can see name, password, and phone. These things are transferring. These values are transferring. Right. So this is the way. So the next one is the input type email. Input type so email. So the next one, where is this one? Here it is. Email equal to. So then input input type equal to email. Then name equal to email. So then uh, placeholder equal to enter your email. Okay. So now you can see what type of validation it is showing. What type of validation it is showing. Okay. Now I'm submitting the form. So I'm entering something. Okay. So I'm submitting the form. So what it is showing. So this is the validation. Please include an at the rate symbol. Yes, included at the rate symbol. So again it is showing. So we have to type after this one, we have to type some domain. Okay. So ABC. So then it is taking that one. Okay. So then only it is allowing. Okay, so if you won't enter anything, yes, it is showing, it is allowing because of it is not required field. It is not a required field. Okay, so whenever it is submit, it is taking because of these are the not required fields. If you can put the required here for this one, are required, that means mandatory. We have to fill this. We have to fill this field. So then now you can see we are able to. So okay, I am filling. So then A B C D. So then we have to enter in the proper way email. So yes, type it. Okay, then after that we have to type domain. So then only it is taking. Then only it is allowing to take that. Okay, so that is the input type email. Okay, so then after that, input type number we are already checked. Then input type search field. Okay, search field. If you want to create a search field, then we can create a input type search. Okay, search field. So then just you can create a input type in search. Okay, name equal to search. So then place folder. So enter your keyword. Enter your keyword. Okay, so this way it is showing search field. Okay, it's a search field. So the next one, URL. URL. So then input type URL. So type equal to URL. So then name equal to URL. Enter your URL. Okay, so then this one also, so it is giving the validation. Then see, it is required field. So then whenever I am entering this one, it is showing please enter a URL. So then we have to give www.google google.com. So now still it is showing please enter a URL. Please enter a URL. So because of we have to enter HTTP. Okay, so then it is allowing. Okay, so that is the URL validation by default HTML provided. So the next one is in telephone field. So telephone field will accept the so alphabets and so this one numbers. Input type telephone. So type is tele. Okay, so then this is a phone or telephone. Then place folder, enter your telephone number. Okay, now you can see. Okay, so telephone number will take the alphabets also. Okay, so the next one is after telephone. So we are having the range field. A range of field. Input type range. Input type array range. So no need to, this placeholder is not required. So just it is showing the range. Now you can see this is the way to show the range. Okay, so in this we can give the attributes called min equal to 10 and max equal to 100. Max equal to 100. So then, so now you can see it is showing, still it is showing in the middle because of we are not placing any value. We are not placing any value. Now you can choose the value equal to 90. So then it will appear, see, this will appear in the last. Okay, so then So in this also we are having another option step equal to 10. So each one. So that means each click is 10. Okay. Now you can see I'm taking to the last this one. So first step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why it is taking 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this way, this is called each click as one step. Okay. Clear? So each click as one step. Now the next one is to range date field, month field, week field, and time field. So then we can create all at once. So this is a date field. So just input type date. So this is a date, and there is we are having only placeholder. Placeholder equal to enter date. Okay. So the next is month field, month, then name equal to month. So enter month. The next one is the week one. Week type equal to a week. So then we enter week. Okay. So then now you can see this is the a date. So we will get the date picker. So only date we can see it here. So here month field we can able to see year and month. Okay, year and month we can choose. So then December 2022. So then here week. So we are having the 52 weeks. Okay, then you cannot choose any one. Okay, then now you can choose one. Okay, clear. So this is the week field, date, month, and week field. Okay, week 01 2023. So week 52, then 2022. So we are having 52 weeks per every year. Then so when we choose one, so then it is moving to the next year. Okay, so that is the name, date, month, week. Then after that time field, date, time field, time, and date, time, local. Okay, only 5 minutes. So time field, so then we can choose time, enter time. Okay, so the next one, time local. So your local time it will show time local, time hyphen local, time hyphen local. So then now you can see it here. What happened? Local is not coming. Date time local, sorry. Date time local. Yes. Now you can see here time field. So it choose we can choose the time. So now the time is 9. So that's why it is showing. Okay. So it is showing from current time onwards. Okay. Clear? Okay. So you can click on up and down arrows also. It is 24 hours time frame. Okay. So then here time and local field. So it is showing the local time zone. So if you suppose if you are staying USA or other countries, so then if you can put time local, then your UK time zone is showing. Okay. Then UK time zone or USA time zone is showing. Okay. So that is the date time local. The next one is the final one is the color field. Final one is the color field. So these are the inputs we are having in the input types. So we can also pick the color field, color field. Then type equal to color. Okay, color. So then no need to paste folder is required. So then we can able to choose the color picker here. You know, here we can pick the color picker. Okay, so this is the RGB value. This is hexadecimal code. Okay, so this is the color picker input type. Okay, so these are the input types we are having. So these are the input types we are having: text, password, checkbox, radio button, then number, button and submit, email, search, URL, telephone, or range, date, month, week, time and date, time, local. So then color picker. So these are the input types we are having in the form input types. Okay, so clear. So the next one, so we are having only one screen in the HTML. So then from next class onwards we can discuss the CSS. So we are having only one screen. So here, so the list of some common attributes for input types, the list of common attributes in input types. So disable, so this one, so we can choose for inputs. Okay, only inputs. So if you are choosing the disabled, so here, so for suppose, so I am using the disabled attributes, disable attributes for input type name. Now you can see I am unable to enter anything if I can disable this input type. See, I am unable to even click that one. Okay, so then again, so I am giving the another attribute is read only, or read only. Okay, so here this is a read only. See now, so then, so here I am able to select but I cannot enter anything. So this one completely disable, even I cannot select this one. So but password I am able to select, this is highlighted, but so I cannot enter anything. So in this we are having the difference. So for disable and read only, so the similarity is we are user cannot enter any data for both the inputs, but we are having a difference. So the disabled attribute, we cannot transfer the data from one file to another file, or we cannot transfer the data to the backend technology. Okay, but read only we can transfer it. Read only we can transfer the data from, so to the backend technology, or from one this form to another URL. Okay, that is only the difference between read only and disable. Next one is the max. Max and min we are used for number. Okay, so then pattern, this is used for regular expression. So we can discuss this one in the JavaScript. Okay, so then required field we are already seen. Our required field we are already seen. So then step we are already seen. This is for range field. This is for a range. Okay, size it specifies the width in the character of an input field. So how many characters you want to enter in the input, so that is the size attribute. So then value, so if you want to automatically populate some values, so then we can enter a value. For suppose in the disabled field you want to enter some value, so then yeah, now you can see, so the Teja value, so we'll able to see. But in this also, so read only we are having a value live tracks, live tracks. Okay, so then you can see, so both are having the automatically populates. So I'm putting the text for this one also. So then value is value is populating both, but this Teja value cannot transfer to the backend technology, but live tracks can able to store, can able to transfer to the backend technology. Okay, clear. So these are the attributes we are able to use for inputs. These are the attributes we are able to use for inputs. Clear? So this is the complete HTML training. So then from next class onwards, so we can start the CSS. Clear? So if you have any doubt, sorry, can you ask me again? So any doubts? Yes, I can share you. I can share all this. Yesterday I already shared, so you can check in WhatsApp group. Then so this one also I can share. So 10 and 11 both the classes I can share it. Okay.
Okay, sir. He feels this is important for him. Yesterday are not sharing, sir. Today, sir.
Yesterday I shared you na up to 9.
No, sir.
So I thought you are not there in group. So
So
I
my number,
already.
my number sharing, sir.
So just check now. So I pinged in the group. So you are able to see that one. Are you able to see? I just typed the hi. If
Your
you are
number
not,
share.
I'll share. I'll share. So I think Srinivas can share that one. Okay.
Why do you feel? My number sharing. Why do you feel that is
Okay.
second number is correct number.
Srinivas, can you add in this na? This number you can add it. I'll stop recording. Just give me a sec. Yes, this is your number. Okay. So I'll inform to Srinivas, then Srinivas can add this. Okay. So then any doubts?
Okay, sir.
Okay, then fine. Thank you. Bye.